fuel injector failure in your diesel engine begins with trouble starting, misfire, and poor fuel economy, resulting in clogged or leaking fuel injectors and poor fuel injection timing, taking you off the road and money out of your pocket. It's time to put an end to your troubles and find your complete solution. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide technical service, accurate parts ordering, and fast shipping, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this remanufactured Detroit Diesel Series 60 fuel injector. You can't beat our quality remanufactured fuel injectors. Each injector is fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and all critical components are replaced to match or exceed OE performance, giving you improved fuel economy, higher torque, and lower emissions. Quality, increased efficiency, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical expertise, quality diesel parts, fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.